Kasukuwere Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kama chunga wakala subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasimure Zimbabwe, takuigirai yaburitswa na the former Zimbabwean government official Xavier Kasukuwere Overtakes achipa a strong warning to corrupt elements within the ruling Zanu party. He achiti is going to declare an imminent crackdown on corruption. Kasukuwere Overtakes Ramba various ministerial positions. He is a former Zanu member of Zimbabwe. So Abuda, in a public address, Achiti is committed to root out corruption in Zimbabwe, since corruption has been an issue in Zimbabwean politics. Abuda Achiti, we are coming for you. The days of impunity are over. We will ensure that those who have looted and misused public resources are held accountable. Comments Kasukuwere Abuda mseme kunge wanakawanda wasiri kufara ne corruption iri kuitika muno muZimbabwe ndofunga zvinaumbira mushe nyika ine severe economic challenges pamwechete na hyperinflation, unemployment, shortages of essential goods muri Zimbabwe, and consult vataura vachiti zviri kukonzereswa necorruption iri kuitika muno muZimbabwe. So Kasukuwere Abuda achikola for transparency and accountability, achikurudzira maZimbabweans kuti awane vachimujoina kuti awane vachirwisa the corruption. Kabuda highlighted the need for systematic reforms kuti paonekwe pachidzivirirwa corruption muri Zimbabwe, uyezve paonekwe pachinge pane good governance. Abuda achitaura Zimbabwe deserves better. We must build a nation where integrity and accountability are at the core of our governance. It's time to take a stand and reclaim our country from the grip of corruption. Azinopera mushe Kasukuwere kawanikwa achisupportwa ne various sectors of the society, and the opposition parties, the civil society organization, pamwechete ordinary citizens muri Zimbabwe. Saka zvinaumira mushe tingaziye kuti zvinopera mushe here panyaya iyi yaburitswa The Newsday vachitaura ivo vachiti former Zimbabwean government official Xavier Kasukuwere has issued a stern warning to corrupt elements within the ruling Zanu party, declaring an imminent crackdown on corruption. Kasukuwere, who has held various ministerial positions and is a former Zanu PF member, made the statement during a public address. He emphasized his commitment to rooting out corruption, which has been a significant issue in the Zimbabwean politics. We are coming for you, Kasukuwere declared, directing his message to those within Zanu PF who have engaged in corrupt activities. The days of impunity are over. We will ensure that those who have looted and misused public resources are held accountable. Kasukuwere's comments come amid growing public dissatisfaction with corruption and economic mismanagement in Zimbabwe. The country has been grappling with severe economic challenges, including hyperinflation, unemployment, and shortages of essential goods, which may attribute to corrupt practices within the government and ruling party. In his address, Kasukuwere called for transparency and accountability, urging fellow Zimbabweans to join the fight against corruption. He also highlighted the need for systematic reforms to prevent further corruption and ensure good governance. Zimbabwe deserves better, he said. We must build a nation where integrity and accountability are at the core of our governance. It's time to take a stand and reclaim our country from the grip of corruption. Kasukuwere's remarks have garnered significant attention and support from various sectors of society, including opposition parties, civil society organizations, and ordinary citizens. Many see his stance as a necessary step towards addressing the deep-rooted issues that have hindered that have hindered Zimbabwe's progress. As the country prepares for the upcoming elections, the issue of corruption is expected to be a major talking point. Kasukuwere's bold stance is likely to influence the political discourse and could lead to increased pressure on Zanu-PF to address internal corruption. Kasukuwere, once a close ally of former President Robert Mugabe, has had a contentious relationship with the current administration. He fled Zimbabwe in 2017 following the military intervention that led to Mugabe's ouster, and has since been a vocal critic of the government. Kasukuwere's latest statement reflects a broader movement within Zimbabwe seeking to address corruption and promote better governance. Whether his efforts will lead to tangible changes remains to be seen, but his call to action has certainly resonated with many Zimbabweans tired of corruption and economic hardships. Xavier Kasukuwere's declaration of a crackdown on corrupt Zanu-PF members marks a significant development in Zimbabwean politics. As the nation continues to struggle within economic difficulties, the push for accountability and integrity in governance is more crucial than ever. Kasukuwere's bold stance may serve as a catalyst for broader efforts to combat corruption and promote transparency in Zimbabwe. Ndizabuda kutorwa neNewsday pamusoro penyaya iyi kutaura kwatiriuita. Kasukuwere zvakare akabuda achipa warning kuna Mnangagwa on his third term bid, achitaura iye achiti he is not going to let that happen mure Zimbabwe, zvichireva kuti Kasukuwere ari serious, haasi kumira mukuda kudonhedza Mnangagwa. Tisingazive kuti achasucceed here kana kuti mure Zimbabwe. Vakanyora on his X handle vachireva vachiti the ill-fated 2030 mobilization by factional interests within Zanu-PF must be resisted. The current government is yet to complete a year in its second term of office. ED was sworn in for the second and last term on the 4th of September 2023. To imagine that his minions are already running around motivating for a third term is careless and dangerous. This will require that we rise up and defend the constitution of Zimbabwe from this calculated assault. Politicians, the clergy, veterans of the struggle, peasants, business leaders, youths, women, and all citizens, this is the time to say no to this madness. Already, the cooking is underway, at times disguised as gastronomy engagements. The women and the youths are now being prepared accordingly. The multiple voices within the party are sending different signals, and sadly, it appears ED is very much behind these shenanigans. Typical modulus operandi, deny, then yield to the people's demands. The country, therefore, has to stop this madness before the future of our children is personalized. We have to join hands and take a stand against this crude and this divisive rhetoric. Tozabuda chitaurwa na Xavier Kasukuwere mune Zimbabwe, achitaura iye achiti maZimbabweans arifana kuzomiririra asawanikwe achitendera President Mnangagwa kuti vapinde for office for the third time.